What up, YouTubers? It's Cam Rock. I'm chilling with my boy Jay Sizzle up here in Minnesota, getting hot on that ass. Say what's up, Jay.
What up? I'm holding the camera for you, because you had it for me. Yeah. Say what up, Jay Sizzle. It's my cousin, my Asian side of the family. For those of y'all don't know, don't believe me. Brother really is it, but he's still my nigga. It's my real cousin, you know what I'm saying? Came down here for the graduation and everything, not his, but his sister's, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, and we had, unplugged. Anyways, it don't matter. We had a great time. We was drunk and high at the same damn time. It was awesome night. Well, yeah, but he was with him. Right, most of me, but, he wasn't around and stuff like that. And I was.
Yeah.
He was not, no. He was, he was, elsewhere. I don't know, elsewhere, right.
Elsewhere, yeah.
But anyways, me and my cousin here, man, you know what I'm saying? He gonna record me doing some music. Jay Sizzle, you know what I'm saying? We just made up a new nickname for him, saying, and a catchphrase. So now, he can go to the radio and stuff. Jay Sizzle, getting hot on that ass. That's just a catchphrase, man. We just made new shit.
Okay.
So now, get me doing
your thing.
Yeah, we in the garage, and being garage band boys right now, Oh shit. I'm gonna freestyle or something. Just gonna be a guitar freestyle. I might do lyrics with it. We'll see. This is Holloway, nah, Holloway. That's what you said, the we come, marching down the street, marching down the street. Neighborhood style. Alright, this is a little late for him to chill out. But it's suburbia style, though. Me and Jay Sizzle, Cam Rock, almost exclusive. And we're gonna holler at y'all up here in Minnesota, man. Chilling. It was a great weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Jeff, man. Jay Sizzle from the family, man. Y'all bring me out proper. Let me let you say some final words to the people, you know what I'm saying? Say bye to my YouTube channel, We always recording on my cell phone, you know what I'm saying? Because when I do freestyles, I want people to know it's a real freestyle. It ain't I'm reading it off my phone. I'm recording on my phone.
Exactly.
And somebody else is holding the damn phone, so I'm not looking at the screen.
Not fake. There it is.
That's right.
Jay Sizzle up in Minnesota.
Sign it off.
Sign it off.
All right. And I'm Cam Rock. Doing the same thing, man. I'm signing off, and y'all like and subscribe, and do all that good shit you do to my channel, and leave comments. It's a real thing. I'm gonna be leaving videos like every week or every day. However I feel like. All original content, songs for sale, beats, all that, hooks, rhythms, whatever you need. So holla at me. My contact information is on the page. Continuously check the page for updates. I'll always have messages along with music on there. And special guests like my boy Jay Sizzle. Jay Sizzle. And
what up?
Look out for the crazy funny stuff. CFS channel coming up soon.
with Mr. Happy in the fucking world. All right, man, I'm out with y'all at the camera. Shout it out, man. Peace.